Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Shrewsbury. It's day one here at the DDF Summit in Berlin. I'm delighted to be joined by Andrew Lewis, who is from Quotient Sciences and is speaking this week at the event. So first of all, Andrew, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
Great to see you, Rizwan. Yeah, great to see you again. I'm very good, thank you.
Yeah, well, just to let you know, viewers, we're having a heat wave in Berlin this week. It's sweltering with no air conditioning. Now, the last time I saw you actually, and it was at Tides in Brussels, in fact. So, first of all, what's been happening at Quotient Sciences since I last saw you?
Well, we're continuing to deliver fully integrated programs from candidate selection through to clinical testing, and then also onward scale up. And yeah, certainly we're incredibly busy as people certainly see the value in what we're doing.
Brilliant. Now, for those people not familiar with Quotient Sciences, could you just give me a very quick overview of the business?
Well, we're an innovative drug development accelerator. So we support our clients. They can be small biotech companies, large pharmaceutical companies, all the way through the development life cycle, from the earliest stages in drug substance synthesis and scale up, candidate selection, salt screening, but also rapidly advancing that into clinical testing using our Translational Pharmaceutics platform. And then beyond that, scale up for later stage development, phase 2, phase 3 clinical supply, and also commercial stage drug product manufacturing.
Yeah, fantastic. Now, you mentioned your platform. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Well, Translational Pharmaceutics is a platform that we developed at Quotient Sciences that integrates drug product manufacturing and clinical testing. And it really allows you to accelerate drug development by removing the white spaces in development between different functions. And using some pretty innovative clinical trial designs, we can accelerate drug development.
Right. Now, I understand you're speaking this week. So, what are you actually talking about this week?
So I'm talking about modified release drug product development and how we can maximise the chance of success of hitting a target product profile. I'm going to give a bit of a background about oral modified release, but then tell you how Translational Pharmaceutics is really ideal for developing these types of products.
And do you mind me asking, what sort of challenges do people face in that area?
Well, there's lots of modified release technologies that are available, and it's pretty well established how the formulations can be optimized. The difficulty is usually in identifying what composition will meet your target product profile. And because preclinical and in vitro models aren't always representative of the human situation, we certainly strongly believe it's best to rapidly advance them into clinical testing and optimize those formulations in humans.
Fantastic. Right, so we'll put the details of when the presentation is above the video so people can check that out. So if you're here at DDF, you can check this. So what day is your presentation?
What day?
Yeah.
It's Tuesday and it's at 9:45 a.m. I think.
Right, there you go. So if you're here, then make sure you check out Andy's presentation. I'll put the details above the video, so if you're here, you've got it all there for you. If people are here, obviously, come talk to you on your booth, but if they're not here, where else can they get more information on you?
Obviously through our website. Please feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn. But we'll also be going to a number of other meetings later this year. CPHI and AAPS, for example, are making pharmaceuticals in Dublin also.
Brilliant. Well, look, Andrew, good luck with your presentation tomorrow. I'm sure it'll go really well. There you go. If you are here at DDF in Berlin this week, come and talk to the team at the Quotient Sciences booth. Check out Andy's presentation on Tuesday. And if you can't do that, obviously, as Andy mentioned, you can meet them at AAPS, CPHI, and numerous other events, actually, that they'll be at, or check them out on LinkedIn and on their website. So, good luck tomorrow. It's lovely to see you again, my friend. I hope the heat cools down a little bit over the next couple of days. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe.
Great. Thank you.